Alright, so I got called out to this 2002 Ford Excursion with a 6.8 liter engine with P0303 cylinder 3 misfire. I just took the coil off. What we're going to do is we're going to be systematic in our approach. I'm going to do an ohm test on this bad boy, see what kind of reading I get. Afterwards, I'm going to take a look at the control side on the computer side, make sure it's working properly, and try to find what the root cause of this misfire is.
While conducting an ohm test of the primary on the ignition coil, the meter showed OL. However, my test leads weren't connected properly. It actually came out to 0.6 ohms. So the primary circuit on the ignition coil was working effectively.
Alright, so right now I'm checking for coil control.
After removing the ignition coil from cylinder number 3 and the spark plug to cylinder number 1, I took the vehicle on a test drive and everything seemed to be working fine, but I still noticed some snippets or fish bites of a misfire. Decided to pull over and began to conduct a cylinder balance test, and everything was looking good except for that number 3. As you can see on the screen, at certain times you can see that little drop in there on the cylinder balance test, but everything else looked good, so I continued with the process of diagnosing. Once I concluded the test drive, I brought the vehicle back to the customer's home. I interviewed the customer. He informed me that a while back he had poured a lot of seafoam in the gas tank to help clean up the carbon deposits, and that explains the carbon deposits that you are seeing on that screen on the camera, because that misfire was still there. It was a small little fish bite type of misfire, so I decided to remove the spark plug, because what stood behind my mind was that P0316 misfire under startup, and those carbon deposits is what caused that. So what I ended up doing is I put the vehicle in a clear flood mode, spark plug removed, cranked it a couple of times, those carbon deposits blew away, and after reinstalling the ignition coil and the spark plug, the misfire was gone. So the customer was very happy, no parts required. This was a fix.